Hello everyone, welcome to our vlog, and for today's video I'm gonna share to you how to use a counter timer in the Click Kuyo PLC. So the counter timer will set for 4 cycles. So we use the first, second, and third, do the sequence. After the finish, it will start as counting as 1 cycle. So for example, our first contactor will run only for 3 seconds, and then after 3 seconds, the second contactor comes on. Then after again for the 3 seconds, so our third contactor will turn on. Then after 3 seconds, it goes back to the first contactor, and that will start as a count as a first cycle. After the fourth cycle, all the contactors will stop. Our system will stop. So yung sineset na cycle natin dito is fourth cycle. So after fourth cycle, our contactors will stop and also our PLC will stop. So ngayon papaganahin natin. So we're gonna try, press the start button. That's the first cycle. Second cycle. Third cycle. This is the last. Fourth cycle and stop. Yan, nakita nyo, stop na. Tapos dito, sa counter timer, na-reach niya yung fourth cycle. So, yung CT1, that's a counter timer. So, it will energize its auxiliary contact. Dito sa taas, nilagay natin sa CT1. So, since it's normally closed, it will open and it will stop our system.